Hello friends, welcome to AgriPrime YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about basic strategies to clear the IBPS AFO examination, which will be conducted by IBPS Indian Personal Banking Personal Selection. Without any coaching, you can able to crack this examination in first attempt. Watch this video to know the basic strategies, and don't forget to subscribe AgriPrime YouTube channel. We are going to further provide free of cost materials, quizzes in further date. First of all, IBPS conduct three types of examination for selection of field officer. First one is preliminary examination, second is mains examination, third one is interview, personal interview. In preliminary examination, there is three important topics, that is quantitative aptitude, reasoning ability and English knowledge. Aptitude section, you need to concentrate on particular topics like simplification and approximation, which will carry 5 questions, and number series, which will considered for at least a minimum 3 to 5 questions is there in the quantitative aptitude section. And then a data interpretation, like a pie chart, bar chart, line diagram. In this section there will be more than 10 to 15 questions will be there in the IBPS preliminary examination. Then other than this, there is quadratic equation section, contains 5 questions. For cracking the quantitative aptitude section, students most need to concentrate on these particular topics. Then again, you need to know the basic concepts of miscellaneous sections. Then came to the reasoning section. There will be also lots of topics is there. You need to concentrate on some important topics like syllogism. Syllogism carries at least 3 to 5 questions in the examination. Other than this, puzzle section is there. Puzzles, you need to practice lots of puzzles to solve the puzzles with immediately. In IBPS examination, time is very important. Time management is major. Coming to coding and decoding. Coding and decoding topics contain at least minimum of 5 questions. Then coming to inequality. In this inequality section, carry definitely 5 marks. Other than that, ordering and ranking. Ordering and ranking contains at least 3 to 5 questions. Then come to distance and directions. This section will contain 3 to 5 questions. For cracking reasoning section, concentrate more on these topics. Then came to the English knowledge. English knowledge, the questions, for one question there will be allocated mark is 0.5 marks. For other sections, the allocated mark is for like quantitative aptitude and reasoning section, the allocated mark is 1 mark per question, but in English knowledge the mark is only 0.5. For English knowledge, we need to concentrate on the important topics like reading comprehension. Reading comprehension consists of 10 to 15 questions in the examination. And then error spotting. Error spotting contains 5 questions. Then closed tests contain 5 questions. Then para jumbles, it will be definitely contain 5 questions. For prelims examination, we are going to provide some of the important lectures in further videos, so stay tuned. For clearing mains examination, for clearing those preliminary examination, you need to attempt or practice lots of questions, like you can find free questions in Bankersada app. Download this app and daily practice, at least take 1 hour or 2 hour practice to clear the preliminary examination. Then coming to that, our mains examination, which will carry our core subject agriculture and allied subjects. For clearing mains examination, there is no exact syllabus, so how to clear the mains examination? For clearing mains examination, you need to analyze the previous year question papers, collect all IBPS previous year examination question papers and go through the question papers, and you analyze what are the important topics are covered in previous year question papers. In previous year, year to year, there is a change in syllabus, like 1 year they will ask general agriculture, another year they will majorly concentrate on schemes, the further year they will concentrate on model bankable projects. So there is no exact syllabus. For that clearing mains examination, you need to go through the previous year question papers and analyze those topics, like important topics like tillage. You can find maximum questions in tillage, minimum support price. Then Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana, And then again, nutrient deficiency symptom. In every year examination, there will be one or two questions in nutrient deficiency symptoms. Then like animal husbandry, agronomy, horticulture. For these examinations, you need to go through the materials like general agriculture. You can go through Nimra Sundar book, or for objective type you can go through the Yesar Kanthwa book. In Nimra Sundar book you can find the basics of agricultural concepts, or otherwise you can download free agricultural materials from the TNAU websites and our ICR PDF websites. Then other than this, model bankable projects, you can find the model bankable projects PDFs on NABARD sites. You can go through the NABARD site and download model bankable projects. And in this model bankable projects, there is lots of topics is there, like custom hiring center, then fish culture, combined dairy farming, milk bulk cooling centers. Concentrate on those topics and study through the model bankable projects. Further, in our AgriPrime channel also, we are going to provide this mains examination materials in free of cost. Further, we are planning to provide these materials, so give your support and subscribe our channel. Then for that, you can also find the important topics like RBI priority sector lending. The Reserve Bank of India gave instruction to commercial banks or private sector banks to give 40% of their adjusted net bank credit to the priority sectors. The priority sectors majorly consist of agriculture, renewable energy, medium small enterprises, then schools, social infrastructures. In this priority sector lending, at least there will be one or two questions we can find in the examination, or otherwise it is also relevant to the agricultural extension system. And for agricultural schemes, you can refer the Ministry of Agricultural website, and there is Press Information Bureau is there. You can find the materials from the Press Information Bureau. You can go through the websites, and also you can go through the animal husbandry websites, National Horticultural Board websites. And for agricultural schemes, you can download Farmers Handbook, which will be available in free of cost in Agricultural Ministry websites. Please download and go through the schemes. Then came to other subjects, like minimum support price. There will be one or two questions is there in the minimum support price. Majorly you can find questions in these topics only. Other than that, you can refer some other important websites. Majorly agricultural mains examinations questions will be taken in this in these topics only, so kindly concentrate on these topics. So you can uh, and also you can refer the basics of general agricultural. Then this will be sufficient to clear the mains examination. Coming to the interview is conducted by the state level lead bank in different states. For interview I will post further videos. Thanks for watching.